Welcome to One Love TV, and this video is to celebrate that we hit our first 500 subscribers. And thank you to all of you who have subscribed and who support us and hit that like button and have, checked out all of our videos. And so, in honor of our 500 subscribers, we're going to give away an air fryer. So, if you're one of our subscribers and you're watching this video right now, all you have to do is hit like, put a comment in the comment section.
Don't forget to comment.
Don't forget to comment. Make sure you're subscribed.
Yes.
And make sure you like. And you will be in the drawing to receive this air fryer. And we'll probably do the drawing probably about 3-4 days. Now we'll give you a week to watch the video, like it, subscribe, comment, and then a week from now we'll let you know who won.
Yeah, because I'll be gone for a week.
Yeah, she's off to work, flying to friendly skies.
Back to work I go.
Yeah, so, but for those of you who have not subscribed but are watching this video, subscribe.
You still have time.
Yeah, you got time.
Subscribe, like, post a comment, and you can be in the drawing to win this air fryer.
Yep. 8 quart air fryer, Power XL. It's a big boy. It got the big boy bottom on it.
Yeah.
And we can't open this one and review it because you were giving it away.
Yes.
But,
it's an air fryer.
Yeah.
And it's amazing.
And it's free.
And it's free. We're giving it to you. Thank you.
Free. All you have to do is subscribe, like this video, and comment down below, and we'll put you in the drawing to win this.
Yes.
So, again, thank you so much for all the 500 plus subscribers that we have. And our next goal is to hit 1,000. And when we hit 1,000, we'll be giving away 2 Kasori air fryers.
Yes.
And you know how much we love those.
Yes.
And if you don't know which one we're talking about, watch our first Kasori air fryer video, and that's the one we're giving away. So,
it's a good gift. It's a good gift. Yeah.
Yeah, we love them.
I love it. Yeah.
I mean, all of our Kasoris are amazing.
Yes, absolutely.
Yep. So, thank you again. If you're watching, subscribe, like, comment, and we'll see you in the next review.
Yay!
Deuces!